Oops. Oops. What is that, Budi? What? Oh. No more snow. No more snow, Budi. Oh. Sorry guys if the so much noise. It's very windy today. Come on, Budi, let's go. No more snow, Budi. Oh, no more snow. No more snow. You know, snow in Danish, snow in English, snow. Did you hear something? What's that? Oops. Oops, Budi. What's that? Uh-oh. No. Ho, 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 ho. Just wait, baby. Oh, it's a dog. Another dog. Budi, not too fast. It's a slippery, you know. Okay. Oops. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oops. Oops. In springtime, it's so beautiful here. Be careful, Budi. Careful. Yeah. Oops. Come, we're gonna. Come on, go. We're gonna now. And du ska passe på det glatt, ikke? Come on, we go. Pas lige på, det er glat. Jeg kan komme til at glide her. Kom. Budi, not too fast. I need to be careful here. It's so slippery. You know. And it's muddy. There you go. Be careful, Budi.